is chemical equation. Okay, chemical equations. Chemical equation. Okay, one more activity I explain you, that is, if you take magnesium ribbon, if you take magnesium ribbon near about 2 to 3 centimeter, okay, and after rubbing with sandpaper, if you burn the magnesium ribbon on the burner or with the help of burner, so it will convert it into white powdered substance. Okay, again I am repeating. When we burn magnesium ribbon, definitely burning is in presence of oxygen. Okay, oxygen. So magnesium ribbon is converted into white ash or white powder. Okay, so what is white powder? This is magnesium oxide. This is magnesium oxide. Okay, once again I repeat it. आप 2 to 3 meters मैग्नीशियम रिबन लीजिए, उसे बर्नर पे जलाइए, तो वो रिबन मीन्स एक स्ट्रिप को आप जलाइए तो वो मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड वाइट पाउडर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी विथ डेजलिंग वाइट फ्लेम। बहुत तेजी से उसमें से एक फ्लेम निकलेगी, जलाते समय रोशनी निकलेगी और वो वाइट पाउडर के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा। ओके, सो वन प्रिकॉशन इज टेकन बाय अस, दैट इज व्हेन वी बर्न, बिफोर बर्निंग द magnesium strip, you have to rub this strip with sandpaper. Why it is necessary to rub magnesium ribbon before burning? Because we want to clean that surface. Why? When we left magnesium ribbon in atmosphere openly, so some of the atmospheric gases react with magnesium ribbon and form a layer of compounds. इस मैग्नीशियम स्ट्रिप के ऊपर फर्स्ट सरफेस उसकी आउटर सरफेस जो है वो एयर से कंबाइन होके मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड की, कार्बोनेट्स की लेयर बना देती है। ठीक है, इसका मतलब है जब हम इसको फ्लेम के कांटेक्ट में लाएंगे तो हम मैग्नीशियम को नहीं ला रहे हैं, डायरेक्टली फ्लेम के कांटेक्ट में मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड आएगा। ओके, तो वो मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड इज हाईली स्टेबल टुवर्ड्स हीट, रेजिस्टेंस, इट हैज रेजिस्टेंस टुवर्ड हीट। तो रिबन तो जलेगा नहीं प्रॉपरली, तो बेटर है बाय रबिंग द स्ट्रिप वी कैन रिमूव द ऑक्साइड and carbonates of magnesium from the surface of magnesium strip. After that, we will provide heat and openly, we will heat openly, so oxygen is by default or automatically it burn in the presence of oxygen, and magnesium react with oxygen and form magnesium oxide. Clear? In this case, if we represent this change in the words, okay, so it will become a long sentence. So if we want to any chemical change represent in short form, so we can use chemical equation. It means chemical equations are the presentation of change in the words. In the words, हमने मैग्नीशियम लिखा, ऑक्सीजन लिखा और प्रोडक्ट लिखते हैं मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. क्लियर है? सो नेक्स्ट इज हम इन्हें क्या कहेंगे? These are the reactants. These are the reactants. What are reactants? The reactants are those substances which take part in a chemical change. Okay. At the beginning, we have taken some substances. So these are the reactants. Okay. After chemically combined, they will form product. They will form product. We can take reactant one or more than one, and this is not necessary always product only a single compound. Okay. Later you will see some more products are also formed. Okay. In chemical change, reactants is converted into product. Okay. Again, this form is also lengthy. So next step is we have to explain chemical equation in symbolic way. What is symbolic way? All the elements or compounds having their some short form. This is called representation form. This is called symbol. Okay. So for magnesium we use Mg. In 9th class already you study these things. Okay, magnesium, and we have to represent oxygen as O2. Oxygen gas exists in the form of O2, and the product is MgO, magnesium oxide. Okay, students, please revise 9th class chapter, that is for symbol of the element and formation of the compounds formula. Okay, so magnesium oxide having MgO formula. ठीक, ये आपने एलिमेंट के सिंबल से, उनके फॉर्मूले से रिप्रेजेंट किया है. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट वे ऑफ शोइंग द केमिकल इक्वेशन. क्लियर? दिस इज वर्ड इक्वेशन and this is formula equation, and again one more thing we have to learn. This is skeletal equation. This is skeletal equation. This is skeletal equation. Why this is called skeletal equation? Because as per law of mass, law of conservation of mass, law of conservation of mass, ये लॉ आपने 9th में पढ़ा है. ओके, सो एज पर दिस लॉ, mass in a chemical change, mass neither can be created nor be destroyed. It means during a chemical change, mass of the reactants and products are same. It should be same. Okay, so magnesium and oxygen both in the form, when we take mass of magnesium and oxygen and magnesium oxide, it will be same. Okay, so law of conservation of mass. So how will you calculate mass? Easy way is that you have to calculate the number of atoms both the side. This is reactant side and this is product side. Okay, so here mass is unbalanced. Why? Because okay, magnesium is one atom at both the side, it is okay. But in this side, reactant side, oxygen are 2 atoms and here only 1 atom. So ऑक्सीजन जब 2 है, यहाँ 1 है, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि one of the oxygen lost in this equation. So mass is unequal both the side, but it should be equal. As per law of conservation of mass should be conserved. So this is called skeletal equation. Okay, it is required to balance it. It is required to balance it. So next topic will be balancing of chemical equation. Next topic is balancing of chemical equation. We will discuss a later.